Kelly from Southern Blessed Homestead. I'm just gonna make a quick video of me making my homemade mayo. I've had my sister and a couple friends ask me how I make it, so instead of telling it to each person, I told them I'd make a video so they can watch me. I am not a professional at it, and I just really want to say thank you to my friend Rachel at that 1870s Homestead. She's the one that helped me get over my fear of it and made me do it with her, and she was a big help. So I think Mac is gonna, and she made a little video of it too when we visited them, so I'm gonna have Mac try to link that video on here. So it's really easy. The ingredients are simple. I am blessed because I have chickens, so I have fresh eggs. But if you can't have fresh eggs, you can use it with store-bought eggs as well, as far as I know. I've never done it with them, but I'm pretty sure you can. The best way that I have been told to do it is to use room temperature eggs. So, but I don't refrigerate some of my eggs for my chickens right away or anything. So I use them a fresh egg that I get that day or the day before. And so here we go. It's the simple ingredients. And I'll try to walk you through it. And my cameraman, Mr. Mac, is going to film me doing it. So here we go. We're gonna make homemade mayo. All right, here's my fresh egg. So I use a pint wide mouth jar. You just drop it in there. I put that on the bottom. Then it is 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, which this is just an off-brand from Dollar General, but any type of lemon juice. It's best to use not fresh lemon juice. You want this kind of lemon juice because it has more of the citric acid in it. And forgive me, I shake. So I've gotten to where I can just pour it in a lot of times now, so I don't measure out everything as much, but I'm going to do that for you. So we got 2 teaspoons of that, and it's about 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. I do use Himalayan salt, and it's just about 1/4 of a teaspoon, so I'm just going to put a little bit of that in there. That all depends on, you do want to use salt, but the amount of salt depends on your taste as well. And it says to use a dash of garlic powder, and this really flavors it well. And I wanted to just show you, I have these cute little measuring things. It says, oh, it's upside down. It's a pinch, a dash, and oops, excuse me, a pinch, a dash, and a tad. I thought these were cute. I don't even remember where I got them at, but I don't really measure, but it says a dash, so we will do a dash. I like garlic flavor, so actually I use about that much. I've never measured it, I just throw it in there. Alright, and then it also says to use some mustard, so it depends on what kind you like. I use a spicy mustard. It has very less ingredients, which is water, distilled vinegar, mustard seed, salt, and turmeric. So, and this is something I got at Aldi's. And you're supposed to use about 1/2 teaspoon. Whoops, I'm making a mess. So I'm just going to put a squeeze in there. That's about how much I put in there. I just got it on the... Alright. Then you use your oil. I use olive oil. Some people like avocado oil. It does give it a little better flavor. I'm not a connoisseur on oils, so I can't really tell you which one is the best. I like to use the more healthier ones. Olive oil will go rancid a little bit quicker than avocado oil, but and you can also, I guess, use any type of oil like vegetable oil, canola oil, whatever you have on hand and you feel like you want to use, but I like to use the more healthier ones. So some recipes have been said 3/4 of a cup, and then some are a cup, so it all depends. You have to kind of play with it and make it maybe a couple times to see how the consistency and the taste that you like. So I'm using about a cup, but I have used 3/4 of a cup as well. It depends on how big the egg is. If you have a very large egg, or a small one. It depends on what you're doing too. All right, now the key to this, and the reason why I'm using this jar, is you need an immersion blender. I splurged and bought me a better one. I had just a cheap one, but I wore it out. I had a plastic one, and I wore it out because I use it for all kinds of things in my kitchen. But so this one is a really good one. I guess it's KOS. I believe I got it from, I think I got it from Amazon. But anyway, get you a good immersion blender, and it works really great. So you put it all the way to the bottom, and then you just put it on the high power, or some of them just have one speed. And the key is you just want to slowly come up, and I rock mine back and forth just to make sure the oil gets down in there. But you just slowly rise up, and then it blends it all up for you. And you can feel the texture and listen to the motor too as the motor is getting thicker. And you can tell it's pretty thick because a lot of times it sticks inside here. You just scoop that out. And you got your mayo. You look at the consistency of it. And you can flavor it with any type of flavoring. I put cowboy candy, I put cayenne pepper, and all kinds of different things in my mayo to make a dressing of any kind for sandwiches or salads. It's really great for all those things. Alrighty. Alright, that's it. I hope some of you guys try this. To me, it's healthier, and sometimes it's an acquired taste. If you go from store-bought mayonnaise to this, it is a little bit different. But to me, this is better for me, and so I like it. And I've made it to where it tastes good to me. So I told you I like the garlic powder, I like the certain kind of mustard, but you can play with different kinds of seasonings and stuff as well. Those things are not what's really needed. Is your egg, your lemon juice, and your salt and your oil. But if you want to flavor it with other things, you can. And I've played around with a couple different stuff, so have fun with it. I hope you make it, and I hope y'all have a Southern blessed day.